What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please welcome. So, you guys, today I'm here with the story of the Maiduyu family, the story of Taiti and Kiki. Taiti and Kiki, they love to confuse their fans, they love to confuse people, they love to make us guess kuti chichiri kuitika, they love to make us wonder kuti tishare kuti zviri zvikuitika. So Taiti, he started earlier kuvaka imba yake kuZimbabwe, and the house is so huge, guys. The house is, yeah, ndoinonzi estate iyoyo. The house is big, guys. Ari kuvaka zimba rake zihombe, and recently he's been selling goods zvaanazvo kuSouth Africa. He's saying it ashoterwa nerenti hechichi, and for us isusu tiri fast techitozoti aiwa haya mastatement, mukomana angazoshayie renti here, mukomana ari kutora mari kufacebook, mukomana ari kutora mari kuyoutube. I think something is really coming up from the Madui family. I think something is up with these guys because they always try to make us wonder, but we are relocating for good to Dubai here. I think maybe the guy is trying to move maybe for good to Zimbabwe or to another country, or maybe they are upgrading, maybe upgrade wakutenga imwe property new one, or they are moving for good to Zimbabwe. That's what I think, because so many companies that they're working for are Zimbabwe, are based to Zimbabwe, and with this Dudula thing that's happening, Chichi, I think they decided it's not good for the kids, Chichi. They now want to settle for good in Zimbabwe. You know, home is always best. If it's the move, I would applaud the guy for thinking really deep, kana kuti kufunganira mangwana zvakadai, because munyika yevatorwa muna guarantee, guys, yekuti ungatoti I'm living here forever. It's better kuti uinveste kumusha kwanoziva kuti no one will ever come and say go back to your country. So I think the guy is trying to move to Zimbabwe for good. Handizii kana gesi yangu iri iyo, but zvekuti anzi Taiti apererwa nerenti, kati Taiti arida tengesa property ada mari yerenti kunyepa, guys. Taiti would never do that. Taiti would never come to the internet and beg to us hambofe akaita kudaro, as I know him kuti he's a man of dignity. Taiti pride anayo, haangatombouya achikuudzai kuti ndapererwa nerenti. He's just trying to get the numbers moving, and also he's preparing something huge so that paanozouya achikupai achikusurprise hanyaya, you'd be surprised zveshuwa, you'd be surprised. I know he's planning something big. Comment down below, guys, what do you think about Taiti saying that sisina mari rent, that's why he's selling his goods, blah 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 blah, njani njani. Comment down below, guys. Comment what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.